My name is Ed. I'm a commercial drone pilot for my company that's called Pre-Flight Drone. Today I'm on the Gillis Hill Road widening project. This project started back in July of 22 when the North Carolina Department of Transportation awarded $22.6 million for the widening of this two-lane road. Now, this road stretches from Highway 401, which is about a half mile this way, and we have another half mile going back this way to the south. So it's a total of 1.1 mile of road. The widening of this road will take some of the pressure off of Rayford Road, Highway 401, to relieve some of the stress of the traffic in this area with some of the neighboring communities such as Rayford, Rockfish, and some of the many subdivision of houses in this area. It has been exactly 13 months since I've did an update on this particular project. The last time I did an update on this road widening project was back in September of 2023. If you go to my YouTube page, you can see what the road looked like prior to this road widening project starting up to this point. And the drone is ready, so let's get the drone up to see how much progress has been made with this road widening project. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Gillis Hill Road.